we're here.
We are here.
We're finally making burgers together.
We're in the backyard, we're having some fun.
That's right.
Right.
Okay, so you remember how this burger came to be, right?
I do.
This was inspired by you.
Yeah.
The burger at the
via text message.
Exactly. I sent Spike a text message asking him for inspiration for a burger because he is the Burger King.
Right.
He wanted an al pastor burger, so that's what we did. We made a wonderful little marinade with guajillo chiles. And then we made those wonderful patties that were super moist.
Yes.
Put them
So
on the grill.
is that traditionally what's in El Pastor taco?
Yeah, that's right. Well, you also have, it's like a vertical spit, right? Like those tacos, like is it Lebanese or Lebanese?
I like to say the Greeks invented it, but we'll go with the Lebanese for...
Okay, it's the Lebanese. Right. Okay, so that's where the inspiration came from, because the immigrants came over, and we had that wonderful, we took that wonderful idea.
Yeah.
And then,
and just kind of played around with it.
Exactly, and then you make a taco with that.
Right.
You
don't mind that.
Pork.
You don't mind that I steal your pineapple,
you know what? I'm just going to watch you cook.
Right.
Go ahead. So anyway, in the taquerias in Mexico, you have that wonderful taco made with the pork, marinated in that wonderful adobo with the guajillos, and there's always a slice of pineapple on top.
Right.
A little drip. Get nice and moist. Those are my favorite kind of tacos. And now it's the burger.
Mucho favor.
Exactly. He speaks Spanish now. I like it. Look how the burger's looking.
I think let me flip. I think they're flippable.
Are they flippable?
Yeah, you ready for it?